Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm in a different room than my normal setup. That's because I'm currently at my parents' house right now. That's okay. Also, if you hear like birds chirping and everything, it's because I have my window open, which is like right there. Anyway, so for today's video, I figured I would do a little review and swatches of the new Jaclyn Hill lipstick collection thing that she came out with. So yeah, I have the parcel right here, so why not just get started. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below and join our little family. And if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends or whatever. Go right ahead. So yeah, let's just get on in because I'm too excited. All right. Okay, they're bubble wrapped, so that's nice. Like, and they're like nice bubbles. Oh, they don't even pop. Well, that's poopy. So I got a total of 5 shades. I was really wanting to get a few other shades, but they sold out before I was able to. But I will show you the ones that I have, if I can hold them all. Alright, so here's the packaging, super nice, and then these are the 5 shades that I got. So I got Perfectionist, Nude AF, I got Isla, I got That Girl, and Amazeballs. And then I was wanting to really get the 2 shades called Obsessed and Hustle. Those were the other 2 that I was really wanting, but those ones sold out before I could get it. I was also, since I was getting like the Nude AF, Amazeballs, and Hustle, I think those were the 3 in there, or was it? I don't remember. Oh no, it was Amazeballs, Nude AF, and Perfectionist, I think. Anyway, the ones that come in the trio. I was gonna get the trio, but the trio sold out, so I got them individual. But anyway, less jibber jabber. So, Jaclyn Hill said that these lipsticks, if you like buy them individually, they are $18 US each, and then the trios come in, like there's 4 trios, and they're each $49 US, and then if you wanted to get like the whole big collection, like of all 20 shades, then it would be $295 US. Me, personally, when I went, my dad actually picked it up for me, but I got mine shipped to the US border because I'm in Canada right now, and I did not have to pay duty. So for all the Canadian folks, hopefully that you don't have to pay duty like I didn't. But anyway, I'm so excited. Okay, first one first, we're gonna go into Perfectionist. I really hope these are as good as everybody was saying. Oh my god, look at how pretty that is. Oh my god, look at that gem. This feels luxurious. She gets me. I like anything sparkly. Anyway, but yeah. Are you ready? Don't think you are. I'm not. That's such a pretty color. Wow. Let's see how this swatches. Do it right here. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Wow. I do see why she said it was called Perfectionist, because it looks like perfection. I mean, they all pretty much look like perfection, I will say that. Anyway, let's go into, let's do That Girl. I'm interested in this one. Oh, they just all look so pretty. Alright. Oh, that's a pretty color too. This one looks more like that, like peachy color. That's a really pretty color too. I'll put them by the window because they're seeming like they're a little bit on the melty side, but that's okay. Oh my god. And this was just one swipe too, like I didn't go back and forth. This was just one swipe. Look at that pigment. Oh my god. Okay, we're going into Amazeballs now. There. Ooh, that's pretty too. So this almost looks like a lighter version of that girl. I'm not pushing as hard so that they don't like melt and everything. That's a really pretty color. Oh my god. And I was totally wrong. That doesn't look like a lighter version at all. Like this one, like that girl looks more like that like orangey color. Let's see what Isla is. Keep thinking I rub my arm on my shirt. Oh, so pretty. Why do all these look so nice? Again. That's a gorgeous color too. I feel like that one might be my favorite one. Like that I'll wear the most. I almost want to say so. I like those like pinky colors. Next up is the lightest one. I think she said that this one was, I think she had like 3 like super pale light colors, and I think this one was one of them. This one she said is more of like that in the middle of your lips. So look at how nude that is. Holy jeez. Let's give this a try. So this almost looks like a lighter version of this one. Kind of, right? I'm not just saying that. Please tell me you see it too. Alright. You guys ready to see them swatched on my lips? So, let's just start off with the lightest one, which is Nude AF. Let's just see how it looks. So I'm just gonna use my viewfinder for my camera, so if I look a little weird, don't mind me. Or as my mirror. Do you see how pigment that is? Oh my god, that was one swipe. Look at that versus this. Wow. That feels very, very creamy. Very nude, I will say that. I don't think I've ever worn a nude color like that, but I feel like it looks okay with me. Like it still has like a little bit of color. Like it's not like pale. That makes no sense. So yeah, this formula is amazing. It feels like so like good on the lips, like moisturizing and everything. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lipstick, which is nice. Like obviously I'm wearing a lipstick and it kind of feels like it, but it's not like a heavy lipstick or anything. I don't have a towel to wipe my lips, so 1 second, I'll go grab one. Alright, so I actually feel like that doesn't look bad on me at all. Paper towel probably wasn't the best option to do this with, but that's okay. Alright, next up, I think I want to do that girl, I think that was, or Amazeballs? Amazeballs, that's what it was. So this one I said looked like Nude AF, but a little bit darker. Oh yeah, I really like that color too. Oh, I don't know which one's my favorite yet. So yeah, I want to say they're like the same color, just a little bit darker, because like it still looks really like natural and nude. And with Nude AF in the middle, I feel like that would look really nice too. Man, Jaclyn did a real good job with these. Which one should we do now? Let's just go with Isla. Yeah. Oh yeah, I knew I was gonna really like this one because it's just that beautiful like light pink, but not too pink, like, you know, like not like a bright baby pink or anything. It's like the perfect nude pink, which she said she was creating was a whole line of nudes. Okay, now I'm going in with Perfectionist. Look at how red my lips are. These are gonna hurt. These are honestly like the best formula ever. This one came dented. Do you guys see that? It's right here. That kind of shitty. Oh well, still beautiful. I do really like this color too. I don't think I don't like any. Alright, next up we have That Girl, which was the one that was kind of looking like it was kind of melting. Do you guys see that? Like, it's so pigmented. Oh yeah, this one turns out like pretty, like orangey color. Like a nice light orange, I want to say, like kind of like a peach. Still looks cute though. Yeah, so I don't know if I would wear this one like out of all of them. I don't know if this one would be like my first choice on me personally. Like, it still looks really nice and everything, but it kind of pulls more of that orange color than the others. I feel like with that shade I would almost have to wear, like if I'm going for more of like that peachy color look, then I'd go for that one. But if I'm just wanting it for like a day-to-day, I don't think that would be my first choice. It is a gorgeous color though, I will say that, like, oh my god. Alright, so that was all of the lipsticks swatched on my lips. Lips are feeling a little bit sore because I shouldn't have used a paper towel. That's okay though. But honestly, I am so excited to wear these on a daily basis. Like, the formula is so creamy and smooth and so pigmented too. Like, my lips were pink and in one swipe they just like covered completely. Like, you guys saw me do it, one swipe and they were covered. So I really like that, so I don't have to like waste so much product going up back and forth on my lips trying to build the product up for it to like cover up my pink lips. But yeah, I really love it. The packaging of these are stunning. The diamond on top does not feel like it's gonna fall off or anything, and the closure is pretty nice. It is a snap, like it's not a magnetic or anything, but yeah, feels pretty strong, like it won't fall out or it won't open in your purse if you just throw it in your purse every day and everything. And the sparkles, I guess I could say, like the sparkles that go like all the way around it, like they feel pretty legit too. Like it's super smooth, nothing's like pokey or scratchy or anything. Nice and smooth, very fine, and just beautiful, just like Jaclyn Hill herself. And I think that's everything that I needed to touch base on. I told you guys the prices, did my lip swatches on my arm, my thoughts. Also, the shipping that I experienced was fairly good. I want to say it was decent. I didn't pay for the like fast shipping, I just got normal regular shipping. It took a week, so the brand launched on the May 30th, which I believe was Thursday. Let me double check if I'm right. Yeah, they launched on May 30th, which was the Thursday, and it is now the following Thursday. It is June 6th that I'm filming this on, and this is the day that I received it in the mail. And yeah, so that took about a week to get to the States border, which I would say is decently typical. I don't really know. Alright, so that is the finished little video / review on the new Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipsticks. I'm so excited to see what else she comes out with in her brand. And yeah, if you guys have not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below to grow with our little family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!